Hi, so thanks. This is the Colorado Car Addicts. We are a club Jason and I started. It's more of a car enthusiast club, but we do everything for charity. So one of our big charity groups that we do for is Wellspring, which Paul is one of the directors for. We are so embedded with Wellspring and all they do for their participants, which Paul will talk about. But our car club, or car enthusiast club, is just car agnostic. We accept anything, and everything we make goes right back to charity. So
every single dollar.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Anybody and everybody's welcome.
These guys have been amazing supporting the mission of Wellspring community. So our mission is to empower the lives of adults with special needs. And events like this is really how we get to do that, because we get to share our mission of really the value of the clients that we serve and their capacity. And so it's a beautiful relationship, but I can't say thank you enough to the CCA group and everybody who's here today to make it happen.
And we partnered with the CDCC guys a few years ago on a few different things, and they've been amazing. Great club, big hearts. Love every one of them.
Yeah, and the best thing with that is we're honorary members of the CDCC club, even though we don't have a Dodge. And we check out what you guys are doing, and we help with the Colorado State Patrol Foundation whenever you guys do charities for that. But yeah, it's been a great partnership all the way around. And we thank everybody for coming out for this. This is better than we expected. So we really appreciate everybody coming out for it.
So Paul, tell us a little bit about Wellspring.
So Wellspring Community is a program that serves adults with special needs. We're based out of Castle Rock, Colorado, and our mission is to empower the lives of adults with special needs. We do that in two different ways. One in our enrichment programming, where we have 32 classes this trimester. They do anywhere from dancing to music to choir, all the way to social skills and a bunch of different things that are going on there. And then we have 3 business enterprises, bakery, cafe, and an art beat studio. Our cafe, our guys are the servers and the bussers and the hosts. Our guys in the bakery, they're in the production line making everything that we do. It's an incredible place where we get to see true potential for these guys and give them the opportunity to grow as individuals and live a quality, empowered life.